we're heading to the Royal Canadian Mounted Police open house that happens once a year in February, apparently. So the RCMP open house is about the musical ride, and you can meet the horses, the trainers, see some of the RCMP in their red surge. So we're going to share that with you today.
You know what they say?
What?
A horse is a horse. Of course, of course.
Yes. Apparently they say that.
Who are they? And why do they say that?
I don't know why, but they need to stop saying that. So it should be really busy. As you can tell, there's lots of cars parked all the way down the street. So we'll see. Should be fun. One day out of the year, the RCMP invites the public inside the Musical Ride Centre for a rare behind-the-scenes look at the working stables. While there are no tickets to enter this event, it is community-focused and supports the Ottawa Food Bank, so you are asked to bring a non-perishable food item or to make a cash donation. This event allows you to learn more about the history of the RCMP and its musical ride, get up and personal with parade horses, and explore the vehicles and specialty units that they have on display here. We learned that Queen Elizabeth II was not only the honorary commissioner-in-chief of the RCMP, but that they led the Canadian contingent in her ceremonial funeral procession in 2022. We headed into what appeared to be a drill hall of some sort, where there was a range of exhibits that included everything from RCMP vehicles to these Montreal Police horse detachments.
Oh, what was that? What was that, eh, buddy? What was that?
We got to see the CBRNE operations group on site, and they were demonstrating their response robots. These were a big hit with the kids. Local fire safety was in place, and we could see the sedans that were all kitted out for VIPs like our Prime Minister on site. They also had representation from K9 units as well as anti-terrorist and sniper groups as well. And if you want to handle the tools of the job, they had tables dedicated to that as well. And some of the response vehicles kitted out to keep our officers safe were also really neat to look at.
Hi, Finnegan. It's so nice to see you. Are you a good boy? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so gentle. So gentle.
But the best part of coming to events like this is to get up close and personal with the RCMP musical ride horses. And if you want to get a photo with the iconic red surge RCMP officers, this is also the place to do it.
My mom would have loved this.
Hey, big guy. Hey, big guy. Look at that posture. Show horse posture right there. Beautiful.
And in case you're wondering, the horses do take turns and they are given breaks, so they're not there all day. And if you have a chance, you can take a photo with the RCMP mascot, who is a bear in red serge, with a police officer, of course. Makes for a great photo. There's a number of RCMP items up for sale, and all proceeds went to the food bank.
Some RCMP swag. All right, so now we're heading into the horses' stables. Let's check this out.
At the RCMP musical ride stables, the farrier plays a critical role in keeping the horses sound and performance ready. Hoof health is essential to these performers, and on this day we were given demonstrations on how that is done. These are the names of the previous horses that were here, along with their year of birth on the left lower side and the names of their parents. Did you know that they had cards? Like hockey cards, but for the musical ride. It's their rider and the horse. Pretty cool.
So these are all the saddles for the horses. This is where they store them. Is it made for kids?
7.
Oh yeah.
7 and an 8. That's too small.
Too small. What about this one? 6 3/4. I don't even know.
That's a 6. Anyway, I don't think so.
Nope. Your head's too big. Are you keeping an eye on things? Hey, are you a good boy? What's going on over there? What's going on? What's going on over there? You keeping an eye on things? Yeah, it's a good boy.
Get his name on his harness. It's
Yep.
beautiful.
Isn't that nice? That's cool. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Good jobs. I like your name. Yeah. Are you named after Stevie?
Yes.
You're an apple boy? Is it because you like apples? Is that why you're called Steve Jobs? Is that why? Because you like apples?
And when the handlers feel like the horses are looking for attention, they actually open the doors and allow you to come and interact with them.
I know, right?
They actually do that.
This is such a fantastic opportunity to get up close and personal with these horses.
This is really neat in here. I'm kind of upset we haven't done this sooner, to be honest, because it's really neat. This is really very well done, and it's a really cool experience for sure. And if you have kids, this is like standout experience for kids. But yeah, let's just keep checking out the horses. It's cool that they give you like free rein to come and actually be like right by the horses' doors and stuff.
Now, these horses in the stables were getting a bit of a break from human interaction, but it was great to be able to go back and see them. And we had like free walk around, so we could see like those flags are from the actual musical ride and the saddles, and talking to the people that care for these horses. It was just really interesting. There was also demonstrations while we were there, like getting the bridle on the horse and getting them saddled, and then how they got onto the horse, especially these humongous Clydesdales needing stairs to get onto them. It was a really neat experience.
You know, I loved it. I love this. This was a really awesome experience.
No, absolutely.
I would do this again. I would bring the kids. You get to really connect with the horses, which is really cool. You get to learn information about their breeding, their care. You get to see the farrier actually like doing hoof care. It was a really awesome experience. Highly recommend coming out to this. It's only once a year, so if you can make your way out here, if you're in Ottawa in February, it's a great activity.
Yeah, it's very cool. I highly recommend it as well. Yeah, I enjoyed it quite a bit, and I'm not really a horse person.
Yeah, no, I know. I learned quite a bit as well, and you know, my grandfather had horses, but they were race horses. They weren't the same kind of horses, and you know, I never took care of horses, so it's kind of a cool place to come and learn about that and the musical ride and the history and everything. Yeah, highly recommend.
That was our day at the RCMP Musical Ride Open House, a unique opportunity to step inside the stables and experience it all up close. And if you enjoy slow, thoughtful travel experiences in Ottawa and beyond, we would love to have you join us here on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.